This is the magnificent cat. He weighs 400,000 kilograms. A hunter of a rat. He's not planning to hunting any cat. That mighty roar symbolizes wisdom, agility, and power. In the wild, they known to hunt humans, but a tame one. See, in the wild, they also hunt ties. Oh boy, that's some thick ties. Oh, look at this cat. The danger in his eyes. He's saying, I will hunt you. I will hunt you down. And I will eat you. See, he's planning on eating me. Don't mind my background. There's a mother. So, tell me more. Cat, tell me more about you. I am the descendant of the Decepticons. God damn, cat, you don't need to look at me like that. Oh my god, you're so cute. Didn't even notice. Okay, this is the end of the video. Oh my god, you're gonna eat me? I'm gonna eat you. And I'm gonna destroy you and your bones.